Okay. What do you think, Dex? Can we take this fork? Oh. Where do you want to go? You want to go on there? You going on the counter? Alright, so today's video is, can you take the pike out of the pivot and put on a Lyrik? Well, we're going to find out. So this is the fork that came with my 2015 Pivot Mach 6, and yep, I'm still riding it. There's not a lot of original parts left on it, but I kind of like the frame, so I had an opportunity to get a Lyrik from my buddy Nick, and I'm ditching the pike. And hello, murdered out Lyrik. Now it's, this isn't my wheel, this is Nick's. We're waiting for a boostinator for my wheel. And I did do one ride on it so far, and this fork is incredible. So stay tuned. I'm going to get out there and ride it again today with some video. And Dex says, subscribe, like, and share. Right? Is that... Look at... Okay, at the top of the entrails here. I did dab a few times, unfortunately. Oh, what was that line? Oh! Oh! No! Damn it! Guess where I made it yesterday? Oh, dude. Oh, shit! I made it right through there yesterday. I was dry. But, so honestly, I don't think it's any different, riding wise. It does look meaner, eh?
It does look meaner.
So when I get my own Nobl wheel back on the front, look at all the dings in my back wheel. This is what happens when you live in Squamish. Look at, those are just from rocks. The sides of the trail. Sure. Okay. Oh, we gotta put it on. Put it on. I've got to put the fork on party mode. So, edit down some entrails here. Little gnarly sections. Oh! It sounded terrible though. That's how you get all those marks in the wheel. All right.
Oh, come on.
I'm going this way. I can make it this way. Whew. All right, so now we're really going to test out this fork. Whoa! Holy slidey back tire, Batman! Woo! Yeah, this is actually running not too bad right here now. And you can see the way we go a little slow, because that's our way. Oh, I got the little fun line over here. Oh, it actually doesn't look wet. Does it or doesn't it?
Probably wet like it.
I'm going for it. Woo! First time this year. Woo! Nice.
Yeah. Woo! That was good. Or I looked at it. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Old entrails. So which part of entrails is this? Is this like original? Like that rock, is that the original line or?
I think that was added like a year after.
Woo! Yeah, we ride that spot the same, eh? Woo!
Up and over?
Yeah. Woo! Whoa! Oh. Anyways, that was good. Stuck behind this slow guy.
Yeah.
That
Hey, Rick.
I think I'm liking it. So I got 155 on the back and 170 on the front. Does it look any different?
It does, it looks meaner.
So we're gonna go ride Garanga. We have not ridden Garanga this year. We're not gonna do the rock slabby part though, like the intense part. We're just gonna do the
Regular Garanga.
the what?
Regular Garanga.
It's still gnarly. Fun mode.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, because I haven't done that little spine slab part ever. So today's the day. Yeah. All right. Oh, he's track standing. Oh, that sounded brutal. Yeah. Jump over that root there. Okay, I've never done this line. So Remy jumped this. Oh, that was fine. And then no nose manual, no little jump into it. Jamie, where's your little hook? Woo! Woo! Oh, he got called out on his speed, so he picked up his pace. Oh yeah, there's a climb. Who put this climb here? Oh, dude. Oh, I'm not making that.
Remember the line we looked at down here?
Yeah.
That was sketchy.
That was good, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, so Garanga proper slabby. This is still Garanga. It's got a different name though.
I used to call it the Garanga D-line. It's sketchy too.
I do have some videos of this trail, but this is more just to show you how this bike rides with this fork. Whoa! I'm gonna have to come do some trimming. Wow! Oh, I got a tree in the face there. That tree right in the...
Didn't Luna take that line last time?
This one.
Yeah.
I've ridden it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna ride it. Let's see how it does on the fork compression. Let's put the... I'll put the thing all the way down so we can see. So here's like, this is really testing this big fork. Right here. Right here. It wasn't that much of an impact. It's all right.